Hi, this is Mark, the racing joke man. Yeah, who's in was it now? Huh? Boba. Who's in that racing jokes and as well as so called was it now was good voice, you know, rap pantalone, yeah. You were we're going to make a guitar, Luigi Perry, yeah. Lui personaggio invece da Congo Congo fatto via provvisione. Yeah. Riccardo Biagini. Io sono fatto l'olio di Basil. No, Nano, Basil. Ok, Paolo Muti. It's the brother of Andrea Muti. Paolo Muti. Una tutta di merda. The rest of the guitar voice, Cabo Pinas. He has a lot of money because her mother produced the Zeta Piras, the Mirto. He has a lot of money, okay. And the tastiere violino, Salvo Di Nardo. Yeah. Okay, thank you. The song called From a Boy of Rio Dancer, questa canzone parla di un ragazzo di Rio Dancer.